Nomiswap CryptoSwap platform review, usage experience. Links to Nomiswap are in the description. Nomiswap is a decentralized exchange, DEX, built on the Ethereum network, aimed at providing users with a seamless, high-speed trading experience, along with access to a wide variety of DeFi features. This platform is ideal for traders, liquidity providers, and DeFi enthusiasts looking for an easy-to-use interface combined with efficient transaction execution. One of Nomiswap's standout features is its low slippage rates. By utilizing automated market making, AMM algorithms, it ensures that users can swap tokens with minimal price deviation, even for large trades. Nomiswap offers users the opportunity to swap a wide range of ERC20 tokens, making it versatile for anyone actively involved in the Ethereum ecosystem. The platform also provides yield farming and staking opportunities. Liquidity providers can earn passive income by contributing to pools, while staking the native Nomiswap token, Nomi, unlocks additional rewards. The Nomi token also plays a crucial role in governance, allowing holders to participate in decisions that shape the platform's future. For security-conscious users, Nomiswap takes safety seriously, featuring multiple audits on its smart contracts to ensure the platform operates without vulnerabilities. Additionally, its user interface is clean and intuitive, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Nomiswap also features a competitive trading fee structure, with low fees compared to traditional centralized exchanges. This makes it especially appealing for those looking to save on transaction costs while still having access to a wide range of DeFi functionalities. In conclusion, Nomiswap is a solid platform for anyone looking to swap ERC20 tokens quickly and securely, while also offering additional earning opportunities through staking and yield farming. If you're a trader or liquidity provider in the Ethereum network, this platform is well worth exploring. Check the description for links to start using Nomiswap today.